myself Chitra. I'm working with iRobokit since last 2 years. So iRobokit basically train kids in the field of robotics. We basically ask the kids to explore the very new field, which is nothing but robotics. So in this, we train kids in different age groups. So we have kids starting from the age group 6 to 14. So we have different programs for different age groups. So we start up with the building thing, like how to make stuffs, how to make the robot. So that is for the age group of 5, or you can say 6 to 7, and then from 7 to 9 we have program in which we train kids into simple machines like lever, pulley, ball and ratchet. So we make models and then we train kids how exactly that simple machine is used in our day-to-day life. And then we have programming, which is there for the age group starting from 9 to 14. So in that they make the robot and then we train the kids how to program it and then how to make it work. So that's what we are into. So we basically train kids in the field of STEM. STEM is nothing but science, technology, engineering and mathematics. So all these 4 things are incorporated together for the training of kids. So the approach which we have is basically a practical approach. So everything, whatever kids will be learning, so it's not theoretical, like they have to write and then they have to remember. It's all a practical approach. So they will see how it is working, so it will remain in their mind forever. So that's how we basically train kids. So we help them in their logical development. In iRobokit, once they have done that programming level, then we encourage kids to participate in different Olympiads. Like we have IRO and WRO, that in Indian Robotic Olympiad and World Robotic Olympiad. So in those Olympiads, basically they give you tasks. So kids, they have to work as a team. So we encourage team building as well. So kids, they have to do brainstorming, they have to work together and then they have to solve that task, whatever is given to them. So that's how we train kids. By doing all these things, we aim into making our kids future ready, making our students future ready. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shishir and I've enrolled my twin kids Saura and Saujas in iRobokit, and I've enrolled them to summer vacations as well. And what I liked about iRobokit is they teach about simple machines where the students get to know how the small applications like a fishing rod or say a walker, or how the scientific machines which work in day-to-day life and which can be used by them in the real world, which they interact with others. Also, what I liked about iRobokit is they give you Lego experience, which the students learn with vigor and enthusiasm and get to know the real life practical experience, which becomes difficult for them and we are not accustomed to into the day-to-day activities.